हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। सो भाई, मेरा विंटर ब्रेक होने वाला था ख़त्म। सो आई डिसाइडेड टू गो ऑन अ 1 day राउंड ट्रिप टू अ गुड लोकेशन and I decided to explore Plymouth, which is about 1 hour from Exeter if you go by train. And recently I bought a rail card which you can search on a trip.com, where you can get exclusive discounts and cheap prices on trains. So I booked a round day trip and it cost me around, I guess, £10, but without rail card it would be around £24. I reached there at 8 a.m. क्योंकि मुझे पूरा दिन प्रोडक्टिव बनाना था, and just after reaching I went to have kadak chai while watching the sunrise at the Ho. That view from there was seriously amazing. After that I visited the area, and seriously this place is worth going to. People even come here to have a bath in the ocean. After roaming for a while and enjoying the sunrise, I went to Barbican. After that, we took a ferry, which cost me only £3. We went Mountbatten, and after sitting and watching the view for a while, we went to have the momos that I was missing so much, along with some chaat puri.
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party with my homies. We can take it slowly, we can take it slow. So don't tell me you want me just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party with my homies. We can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Because music is my therapy, therapy, therapy. Music is my therapy, therapy, therapy. Music is my therapy, therapy, therapy. Music is my therapy, therapy. So don't tell me you want me just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party with my homies. We can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me.
Then, after setting up my tripod and clicking some beautiful pictures, I explored the streets and then boarded my train back to Exeter. If anyone wants to do and cover single day trip, I must suggest going to Plymouth, as it is really worth it. It's best to explore in summer. Luckily, that day I visited it was very sunny, so I enjoyed the good view. But I still suggest visiting here in the summer. I know it's a very short vlog, but there are lots of upcoming videos जिसे देख के तुम बोलोगे वाह कार्तिक. And soon I will upload London vlog too, and after that I'm going to Edinburgh. So stay tuned and do like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं next vlog में, तब तक के लिए टाटा and bye bye.